I Am activity. Arguably the forerunner to all UFO religions, the I Am activity had its start in 1930, after its founder Guy Ballard claimed to have met the legendary Saint Germain in Mount Shasta, California. An ascended master, Saint Germain instructed Ballard to spread the method wherein people could unlock their I Am potential, becoming enlightened enough to also turn into ascended masters. After that encounter, Ballard formed his movement in 1932 and continuously wrote books under the telepathic guidance of Saint Germain and other ascended masters, including Jesus. At its heyday, the movement reportedly had almost 1 million members. After Ballard died in 1939, his wife Edna became the channel for the divine messages, which she continued to receive until her death in 1971. Since then, the movement has been controlled by its board of directors based in Illinois. Although they claim to have 300 affiliate groups around the world, no new teachings have been received since the couple's deaths, ostensibly because the ascended masters have not yet appointed their successors. Unrius Academy of Science. Formed in San Diego in 1954, by the husband and wife tandem of Ernest and Ruth Norman, who both claim to be reincarnations of famous historical figures, the Unrius Academy of Science espouses some very weird beliefs. For one, they teach members called Unarians that their psychic prowess will grow if they meditate with a purportedly 10 millennia old crystal skull called Max. Claiming to be a scientific group and not a religion, the group also teaches its members about interdimensional physics, which they assert can answer all questions about the universe and one's existence. Aside from that, the Unarians state that the Earth will soon rejoin a coalition of planets that had broken up hundreds of thousands of years ago, and that this event will usher in an age of prosperity. They predicted that this would happen back in 2001, with the landing of several spaceships. When that failed, they later explained that the 9/11 attacks showed the aliens that humanity was not yet ready to reunite with them and thus postponed the event. Ordine Fiat Lux. Latin for let there be light, Fiat Lux had its humble beginnings in 1973. When its founder, a Swiss secretary named Erika Berchinger, fell on her head during a horse ride. Subsequently, she discovered she was the Virgin Mary and could communicate with transcendental beings, such as Jesus Christ. Changing her name to Uriela, she established her largely ascetic group in 1980 and later transferred it to their current headquarters in Germany's Black Forest area. Uriela and her group believed that the world would be devastated in the middle of 1998 by Nazi flying saucers and natural disasters. They also believed that friendly aliens would come to rescue the chosen few and use them to resettle a new paradise on Earth. However, when the appointed time came and passed, Uriela told her members that God had temporarily postponed the event because they all prayed very hard. Since then, the group has laid low, biding their time until another end of the world.